Are you dealing with slow startup, performance issues, or pesky viruses? We handle it all. From virus removal to data recovery and hardware upgrades, we've got you covered. At Fix My Computer Sanibel, we promise fast, reliable, and affordable repairs. No need to leave your home or office. We bring our expert services right to your doorstep. Why choose us? Our experienced technicians offer quick turnaround times and friendly professional service. We ensure your computer is up and running smoothly in no time. Save time with our convenient on-site services. We come to your home or office so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Call 239-382-7247 to book now. Your computer is our priority. We strive to provide the best repair experience in Sanibel, ensuring customer satisfaction every step of the way. Ready to fix your computer? Call us at 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputersanibelfell.com to schedule an appointment today.